Hey there, LinkedIn users. Have you ever blocked someone on the app and later thought, oops, maybe I was too hasty? Or perhaps you're looking to mend professional bridges in 2025? You're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll walk you through the simple steps to unblock someone on the LinkedIn app. By the end, you'll be reconnected and ready to network like a pro. Let's dive in. First things first, make sure you're logged into your LinkedIn account on the mobile app. This process is straightforward, but always double-check that you're on the latest version of the app for 2025 updates. LinkedIn might tweak things for better user experience. Step 1. Open the LinkedIn app on your smartphone and tap on your profile picture in the top left corner. This will take you to your profile page. Step 2. Scroll down and tap on Settings. It's usually represented by a gear icon. Once you're in Settings, look for the Privacy or Account section. This is where you'll find options related to your connections and blocks. Step 3. In the privacy settings, find and tap on Blocking. Here, LinkedIn will show you a list of people you've blocked. Scroll through until you see the person's name you want to unblock. Step 4. Tap on the person's name, and you'll see an option to unblock. Confirm this action when prompted. It might ask if you're sure, as unblocking allows them to see your profile and interact with you again. After you've unblocked them, LinkedIn might suggest reconnecting or sending a message, but that's optional. Keep in mind, once unblocked, any previous interactions could reappear, so use this wisely for professional growth. A quick tip. If you don't see the blocking list, ensure your app is updated or try logging out and back in. And remember, unblocking doesn't automatically send a notification to the other person, so it's a discreet way to reopen doors. There you have it. Unblocking on LinkedIn is that easy. If this helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and happy networking in 2025.